Welcome to Day 7. Challenge, power of words. They shape our reality, how we see ourselves and the world around us. They build bridges in our relationships, or sometimes they build walls. We often forget this immense power. Our brains are wired for language. Words light up our neural pathways. They stir up emotions and memories. The language we use, both inside our heads and out loud, sculpts our minds. Like a river carving its path through stone, it shapes how we perceive everything. Communication is the bedrock of our connections. Words can bring us closer or push us apart. Conscious communication starts with a simple truth. Words matter. They are tools. We can choose to build or break. The choice is ours, every single day. Ever feel stuck in a rut? That's often our neuro-linguistic patterns at play. These are the connections between our thoughts, language, and behaviors. They're like invisible scripts running in the background, telling us how to act and feel, learned young and very powerful, but we can become aware of them. Maybe it's a habit of negative self-talk or jumping to conclusions. Spotting them is the first step to changing them, like turning on a light in a dark room. This awareness is everything. Once we see them clearly, we can harness them. NLP, Neuro-Linguistic Programming, offers tools to reframe our thoughts, to change our language, and create better outcomes. Instead of thinking, I can't do this, try, I'm still learning. It seems small but makes a huge difference. This isn't about tricking our minds, it's about understanding them and choosing language that supports our growth. By understanding these patterns, we move from being driven by them to becoming the director of them. We get to write our own scripts. Now that's real power. Let's talk about our inner voice, the words we tell ourselves. Affirmations are positive statements we repeat. They challenge negative thoughts. I am capable and strong. I am enough. With conviction, we start to believe them. We rewire our brains. Mantras are similar, often ancient sacred sounds, like Om in yoga. They carry specific vibrations. Repeating a mantra calms the mind. It focuses our attention and shifts our energetic state. Positive self-talk works. Studies show it reduces stress, boosts performance, and makes us more resilient. Speaking kindly to ourselves activates reward and motivation. Negative self-talk fires up stress responses. Affirmations and mantras are practical tools. They help us in studies, work, and life. By choosing positive self-talk, we build inner strength. Let's delve into the world of sound, specifically yogic sound vibration. Naad yoga means the essence of all sound. The universe is made of vibrational energy. Different sounds have different effects on our mind and body. Think about music and how it changes your mood. In Naad yoga, specific sounds and mantras are tools for consciousness. They stimulate our energy centers, or chakras. The mantra Om is a primordial sound. Chanting it harmonizes us, leading to calm and clarity. So, how can you use this? Start by listening to the words you use, both out loud and in your head. Notice negative patterns. Choose different words. Create a personal affirmation. Write it down and say it. Experiment with sound. Listen to calming music or guided meditations. Chant Om quietly. Be intentional and consistent. Unlock the power of your words to shape your life. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for Day 8. Challenge.